Hey everybody, my name is Julie. We're going to make a cheesy ground beef and rice casserole tonight. I'm going to flip y'all around and show you what we need. And my setup is a little bit different tonight because
Britain's armoured division, made up mostly of light
I broke.
tanks.
Oh no, my videographer broke my
Finally fell in 1940.
thing. I'll show y'all in a minute.
The men escaped.
Here's the pieces of it that I gotta fix. It holds my phone. So we're doing something different tonight. Yeah. And I can't find my other tripods. Well, I can find two of them, but the one that goes up on the counter I can't. So I'm having to use Robert's ring light. I'm having a time today. I have no clue where it's at. I've had it and I put it up and guess what? Yep, I don't know where it's at. So anyway, we'll flip y'all around and show you what we need. We need an onion. We need grated cheese. I got this out just in case I need to grate some more. We have to make our own Italian seasoning. It says I'm going to use thyme, basil, oregano. It says beef broth. I'm going to use vegetable broth, and then I'm going to put some better than beef bullion in it. Then I'm going to do diced tomatoes. It says sour cream, but I'm going to use cream cheese, a fourth of this, a third of it, ground beef, cream of mushroom soup, garlic, and milk. So yeah, I broke it. So we get to do this whole thing differently today. Aren't we excited? Maybe I'll see better, I don't know. But I have to move this thing so I can have my camera.
The several years it took to get from design
Yeah, did I say butter? Yeah, we need butter.
Also meant that British tanks entered the battlefield much later than they were really needed.
Let's put this thing
This time lag meant that models emerging at the start of the war were all just one step behind their German counterparts.
Oh, hang on a minute.
I think there was confusion inside the army.
No? Pause? No?
That was required for
I had to use my camera remote.
mechanized warfare. And in the end, the British
I mean, my watch
they
remote.
needed a bit of everything, so an attempt was made to design a direct.
And rice, I forgot rice.
I've been out on the streets where the lights are red. I've been hiding the world safely in my head, where nobody's ever been. We're all waiting around for the storm to come, hoping someone will care, saving everyone. But it starts with me and you. Our song will never fade away. We'll always be fighters. I'll hold your hand till Judgment Day. We'll stand in the light as the ones who never ever quit, who risked every part of it. We'll live forever, you and me, baby. I've been walking around, I've been listening to the sound of my heart and remembering how it echoed in my chest. Never give up your song before it makes it through. Never lay down and die with your music in you.
dinner. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope y'all try this. We're fixing to eat dinner and let y'all know how it is. Talk to y'all later. See you. Bye.